geysers, and that's what you're wearing.
Wow.
It's the best national park in the US, and it's the very first, so that's why it's really good. And everyone comes here, and you don't just come here any time of the year. This is one of the best time until July, the summertime, and this is summer. It's not.
Red Spouter.
Just take a picture. So we're leaving today, Sevilla, Club Sevilla. We're leaving Orlando, and we're gonna be in Utah at 1:30. Check-in is 11:15. So we have arrived at Salt Lake, Utah Terminal. Enjoy the view right there at the back.
It's just through that. You see the mountain?
Yeah.
Where it splits?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it just goes right through that pass.
Okay. It says this is Idaho.
You see this line?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Ah.
You see the white line?
Yeah.
Yeah, we still got a little bit of ways. Maybe around the corner.
It's cheaper here, the gas, $4.55.
Well, actually, you know, there's not as many cars on the road, so some people have actually been staying home. Sometimes you'll see a moose. I don't know.
So next vacation, I can show you guys have summer.
What month is
Now it's still cold. Need to come like July, end of July. We can take Stonehenge rock.
No.
Wow.
No, they probably frown.
We could have put it in our luggage.
Won't attack us, right?
Yes, yes, they will.
Oh.
But look at how big they
Oh, shucks.
You guys ready to?
Yeah.
They're just showing me the car. You don't need to walk inside your car. Look at that one. You just bring the glass.
See how much snow they got? 3 inches.
Look at this now.
What we did in yellow.
It's awesome. We're gonna see the real geysers. Geysers. And why does it change in color? I didn't see the different color. Amazing, right?
Mm-hmm.
The geysers, and that's what you're wearing. You're the yellow guys.
And I don't wear socks. Imagine.
So Tita said they were here in November, but this is closed. Right? So you can't come here like any time of the year.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's actually summer in most parts of the States. So we've been to New York, it was just 10 degrees Celsius. We've been to Orlando, Georgia, and everything seemed normal summer with short shorts and all
Very hot.
t-shirts and sleeveless. Here we're all covered up. It's amazing. It's a summer vacation supposedly, but then when we came to Utah, it's been raining, it's cold. The first night we were here, we ate in a Japanese restaurant. We went out of the car and we went running to the restaurant kasi ang lamig na. Grabe. The weather changes like this. Siguro kasi higher part na ito talaga. So that's why it's cold, a lot colder here. Look, it's snowing. So last night I was searching for the weather and it said negative 0.5 degrees Celsius. Because they use Fahrenheit.
Look at that water, Han. It's boiling. This is what Rick is saying.
That's what?
The water
The water what? Changes in color?
changes in color.
No, okay, so that one changes. See, it's bluish, greenish in the bottom.
And it's boiling.
Yeah, oh my god. I should have. There's no live.
There's no. And let's go there. And
Guys, this is the geysers. You can only see this here. And in Yellowstone, it's a national park. Look at that. It looks like an ocean colored, blue colored.
let's go near. Wow. Can we head up for?
There's another one there. Can we have like a picture?
Okay, I'll
Okay,
pause.
pause it. I'm not sure. I thought it's like hot springs or something. How could I think that it's geysers?
Let's see what's written there.
Yeah. I was saying on my camera that this was an unplanned trip because we decided to be here in Utah only when we met Tita Tess and Rick in Orlando. We were supposed to be today until June 6th. We were supposed to be in San Francisco. No, actually, May 28th to June 2nd in San Francisco. But we took this trip because they convinced us that Yellowstone is here and it's the best national park in the US. And it's the very first, so that's why it's really good. And everyone comes here, and you don't just come here any time of the year. This is one of the best time until July, the summertime, and this is summer. It's snowing. Well, it's transitioning from winter to summer. And look at this. It's what is this? Sulfur or something?
No, it's see.
The bubbly thing there that you've seen. It's called the I forgot already. Metafires or something. Yeah. We're gonna take it. Metafires, right?
Oh, leather pool.
This is the geysers. I'm gonna show you after this. Oh, wow.
It's
See
boiling.
The part is boiling. It changes in color. It's greenish. It's bluish, and then it's that smoky effect.
Red Spouter.
Let's take a picture.
And go there. The geyser.
It smells.
It smells like
It smells like what is it?
it smells like egg.
Boiled egg. It smells like boiled egg. I'm sorry.
But look at that. Wow.
It's plastic.
Okay.
Pretty water.
Do you want me to stop or are you good?
We're still good.
There's no stopping in that big one. That was so good. Oh, guys, this is
I could stop up here. Yeah, I will.
Why start it?
Can you see? Yes, I can. Can you? Yes.
every time I try to take a video.
Wow. Wow. Whoa. Look at that.
Get it!
Oh, shh.
Faithful.
You're taking it off.
Yeah.
It's on the sides. Maybe in the middle.
Wow. Look how high. Let's go take a shower there. I mean, let's go take a shower there.
I guess it was 450.
I'm taking it here. You have to do this.
That's okay. Oh.
Okay, so the weed is yours. I'll show 2 screens.
Wait, it's like 2 bucks an hour.
You can hear the water.
It's too bad this has some big.
Like the all these flowers.
Something's going on.
If you want to go up to the shower.
Okay.
Nice. It's nice.
Old Faithful Inn. The Old Faithful Inn welcomed its first guest on May 1993. Mother severe.
Right there.
The restaurant here are very nice. You look at them. They eat here. The bars are very nice.
Right. Yes. You?
Sorry.
You're fine.
I would like a papaya here. I'm pumpkin.
Maybe it might be better on the
Honey,
other
over
side.
here.
Hang on, I want to get.
Yeah.
It's all made of wood. It's made of wood. Everything is made of wood. Even the elevators are covered. The elevators over there are covered with wood design papers. And it's all wood.
We should gonna. Where did we park, Han?
pretend.
I think maybe they're already in the car. Okay, let's go back.
Let's pick right here, Mom.